In this video, I will be talking about the most important retest on the Bitcoin price action right now, and I will be exactly talking about what this level on the Bitcoin price action right now means for Bitcoin, whether we could be seeing a very strong bounce from it, or what could be happening if we break below it. This and much more will be getting discussed on today's update video. I will be as well go over the most important levels of support on this market right here. I will be talking about the most critical support and resistance ranges to be watching right now, and much more. So make sure to watch this video till the end, because yes, I will be discussing many interesting things. On yesterday's video, we almost smashed it up to 500 likes. Can we once again do it on today's update video? So smash up the like button and let's jump straight away in towards the imminent short term on the Bitcoin price action. And let me start off with saying this green box right here on the market is so far the most important support to be holding on the market. And like you can clearly see, this has been previously around a very high confluence zone of previous support and resistance. And so far it has been holding us up very well in this trend. As soon as we do break below this 22.8k, like I've been already talking about yesterday and the day before, while we were trading on this level basically, we are probably going to see, of course, a significant decreasement in price, and we could be targeting for levels around the 21.8k. And of course, like I told yesterday as well, here we were looking for a potential W scenario right here getting played out here, and I told everyone we're only going to be looking for a bullish breakout in case we do break above the top side of resistance. And like you can see, we only saw a few wicks closing above, but not a significant candle close. So after seeing that, we didn't confirm the W breakout, and right now we came back towards our previous support target. Also, if we're going to be enabling the 200 weekly moving average here on the 1 hour chart, you can still once again see it is providing significant support on this market right here. And you can clearly see that the green box together with the 200 weekly moving average is probably going to be a huge provider of support for Bitcoin. And like I announced yesterday as well here, if Bitcoin is going to fall down to 22.8k, I will be once again accumulate a new position, and I also clearly did do so. And if you also want to be trading, make sure to check out OKX in the link in the description. You can also trade Bitcoin, cryptocurrencies, and altcoins over there. And if you're going to sign up through my link in the description, you could claim up to a reward up to $10,000. So make sure to check OKX in the highest link in the description right now, and make sure to grab your reward bonus right now. Then also looking at the 4-hourly time frame, we can clearly see that Bitcoin, of course, significantly provided resistance and support on this level we're currently trading on. You can clearly see here we got rejected, here we got rejected, here we flipped into support, and right now once again we are seeing this level flipping into support. So yeah, this box between the 22.7k and the 22.8k is a significant level of support, and you can clearly see on the 4-hourly time frame that so far we've been really holding on towards this level. And once again, after retesting this level, we're right away seeing a strong bounce getting generated on this market. So I am expecting that the 22.8k is not an easy level for Bitcoin to be breaking below of. And on top of that, if we're going to look at the 200 weekly moving average, we can currently also see that the 200 weekly moving average is trading on that 22.8k, and the 22.8k is definitely the most important level of support in this market right now to be watching, because as soon as we do break below it, I personally think we're going to go in a significant correction wave down here. But just like last time around here, we previously around got significant rejected by it as well over here. Once we broke above it, we flipped it into support, but once we once again broke below it, it flipped into very strong resistance, and as well right here flipped into resistance, right? So we can definitely argue the 200 weekly moving average on lower time frames as well has got significant confluence. And right now, after breaking clearly above it, we are seeing a clear retest, and I wouldn't be surprised to just expect to see a strong bounce from off this level right here getting generated. And of course, as soon as we do break below it, what I will be doing in my game strategy will be here is opening a short on the retest of the 200 weekly moving average. But as long as we're trading above it, I want to be, of course, longing those retests of the 200 weekly moving average, because that is better. That's make more sense in terms of the odds on the market right now. So pretty exciting what Bitcoin is currently doing, and I personally see this as a huge opportunity to trade in the market right now. What are exactly my targets? Of course, if we're looking at this market, I've been talking about it several times before, we are starting to see that we're forming somewhat of an exponential structure, and we are right now really at a turning point where we could start to see this this trend really continue once again back up here. So will be amazing to see this happening, but if it doesn't happen right now here, we still have more time, and of course on the larger time frame we're still in that higher low structure, and even if we're going to come down to 22,000 US dollars, we're still going to be in a higher low, or even if we're going to consolidate for another to our 3 days, we're still going to confirm that higher low. But yeah, we are currently in a significant uptrend where we're forming higher lows and higher highs. So in this such kind of a trend, you want to be rather also look at long positions. Furthermore, on the daily time frame, still want to be pointing this out here, the 24,000 US dollars is the level to be breaking. So far we're not close anywhere close towards this level, and of course we could also definitely argue about that we're currently seeing another support line getting formed on the daily time frame right here, what we could be approaching as well anytime soon here. And that support line is going to be laying somewhere around at 22.5k, and of course if we're going to consolidate more days around here, it could be form itself as well on the 23,000 US dollars. Then also, of course, yeah, still the S&P 500, currently the level to be break for the S&P 500 is the 4,200 US dollars. If we do break above that level, we're basically breaking above this critical resistance and support zone here, and if we do break above that range here, I think the sky is the limit, and we could be even see a further increasement across the stock market. Then also, yeah, on the weekly time frame, you can clearly see the 200 weekly moving average did broke above and currently is retesting it at support, previous resistance as support once again right now. And I do expect that Bitcoin is going to generate a massive bounce from off this level. And of course, on the larger time frames, on the weekly time frame, we can also still see that we did had that perfect retest from the all-time high. And after seeing such kind of a perfect retest from the all-time high, it wouldn't be all too surprising to see a strong bounce back up here. And my target is still going to be the same. It's going to be somewhere around that 28 to 32,000 US dollar target, where I do think Bitcoin can bounce all the way back towards before potentially seeing another significant drop off getting generated. So yeah, guys, this was already it for today's update video. If you do enjoy the content, smash up the like button, subscribe to the channel, and of course, if you want to learn how to copy trade, check out the video that's currently popping up above. But anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you guys on the next one. Peace out. Goodbye.